In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove page numbers in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Managing PDF documents often requires adjustments and customizations, and one such task might be removing page numbers to prepare material for distribution or presentation. With Adobe Acrobat Pro DC, this process is simple and efficient. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open Adobe Acrobat Pro DC and open the specific PDF file from which you want to remove page numbers. You can do this directly by navigating to your File menu and selecting Open, then browsing to the location of your file. Opening your PDF with Adobe Acrobat is straightforward and ensures you have access to all necessary editing tools. Once your PDF is open, direct your attention to the top menu bar. Here you will find the Edit option on the top left. This tab is your gateway to modifying the content within your PDF, whether you're making minor text adjustments or significant layout modifications. Next, within the Edit menu, you should see an option labeled Header and Footer. This is where the page numbers are typically managed. Clicking on this will provide a drop-down menu. From here, select Remove. This command is essential because it targets the aspects you want to change in your document, specifically any headers or footers that might contain the page numbers. After selecting Remove, a confirmation dialog box will appear. Adobe Acrobat will then prompt you to confirm your decision. Click on Yes within this box to proceed. This step is crucial as it is designed to prevent accidental deletions. By confirming, you are instructing Adobe Acrobat to go ahead and remove all header and footer elements from your document, which includes the page numbers. And just like that, your document will no longer contain page numbers, making it ready for any other formatting or distribution needs you might have. This process ensures that all headers and footers are cleanly and entirely removed, providing a sleek and unnumbered version of your original document. It's worth noting that while these steps remove page numbers, they also remove any other text or elements located within the headers and footers. If there's important information aside from page numbers within these sections, be sure to take note of it and re-add anything necessary after the removal process. That's it for removing page numbers in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This quick process makes managing PDF documents efficient, allowing you to tailor your files exactly as needed for any professional or personal use. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for your PDF editing tasks.